Hello students and parents. In this video lesson I will be going over our math assignment from earlier today. So I already have put out my date and I have made an X with on my paper to separate my page into 4 different squares. And for this assignment, we're doing the opposite of what was done in the first lesson. So we're doing lesson 2 today. So we're still working with 10 frames, we're still working with counters or different types of counters, and we're still trying to figure out what a number looks like when it's in a 10 frame, what it looks like as a word, and what it looks like when it's just a number. Just making sure we identify and we're able to recognize, like, oh, that's 4 because I see 4 counters, or oh, that's less than 5 because I see that there's 3 counters. And then if I see counters on the bottom row and on the top row, then that means that that's more than 5 but less than 10. Or if all of it's filled up, then it's 10. So that's what we're gonna be working with today. It's just going backwards. So for our first box, I'm gonna make my 10 frame. And I'm just gonna separate my rectangle into 1, 2, 3, 5 pieces. I'm gonna draw a square on the bottom and a line. Okay, so what we're gonna do this time around is we're gonna be drawing gummy worms. Now you can use whatever color you want, but I'm gonna stick with blue. Pretend I have blue gummy worms, and I'm going to draw a certain amount of gummy worms, and then students will have to write the number of gummy worms and then the number in word form. Okay, so how many gummy worms do we have here? Well, we know it's got to be less than 5 because the 5th box is not filled up and there's none on the bottom. So it's less than 5. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 gummy worms. So I'm gonna write a 4 in this box in the middle, and then I'm gonna write the word 4 because that is what 4 looks like as a number. Then I'm going to do it again on this side and do the same exact process. Okay, and I'm going to draw another set of gummy worms. Okay, and then I need to figure out, okay, how many gummy worms do I have? Is it more than 5? Is it less than 5? Is it less than 10? Is it more? Well, who knows? Or is it exactly 10? And then I'm going to write that number here on the bottom in word form. And then I'm going to be doing the same for the next 3. Okay, so there we go. So I'm going to go ahead and draw the other ones, and then that's all you're going to be doing. So you need to figure out how many gummy worms do I have, what number it is, and then write the number out in word form. And you're going to be doing that for the other 3 problems. And that is going to conclude our math video lesson. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Goodbye.